The drone community is buzzing with excitement over the latest leaks surrounding the DJI Air 4. If the rumors hold true, this new model could mark a significant leap forward for the Air series. With potential upgrades in design, camera technology, and flight performance, DJI appears to be setting new standards once again. Leaked images and insider information suggest that the Air 4 might incorporate some features from the eagerly awaited Mavic 4, hinting at a more polished and high-performing drone. While nothing is set in stone, there's a lot to unpack, so let's dive in. A major leak has come from Jasper Ellens, a well-known drone insider who shared a photo of what seems to be a damaged prototype of the DJI Air 4. This image offers our first real look at what DJI might be working on. The top cover design in the photo shows similarities to earlier models, but there are some clear differences. The prototype features two distinct sensors and an LED beacon, which aligns with rumors about the upcoming Mavic 4. This could suggest a move toward a more standardized sensor system across DJI's drone range. One of the most intriguing aspects is the apparent inclusion of an upgraded LiDAR sensor array on the front. If accurate, this could greatly improve obstacle detection and enhance performance in low-light conditions, making nighttime flying safer and more dependable. One of the most noticeable changes in the leaked prototype is the sturdier, more reinforced arms compared to the Air 3. This could lead to better stability and durability, though Jasper mentioned that the final design might still change. Another significant change is the apparent removal of wide-angle sensors from the front corners. Instead of using multiple wide-angle cameras for obstacle detection, DJI might be shifting to a LiDAR-based system. This could provide more accurate object detection, especially in difficult lighting conditions. However, its real-world performance is yet to be seen. Jasper Ellens isn't the only one sharing insights about DJI's next drone. Another reliable source, Quadro News, recently posted a mysterious image of a drone placed on top of what looks like the upcoming Mavic 4 Pro. While there's no official confirmation, there's speculation that the drone in question could be the DJI Air 4, or possibly even the Mini 5. The timing of these leaks is interesting. If DJI is already testing new models, an official release might be closer than we think. Although leaks don't provide the complete picture, several rumored specs suggest the Air 4 could see notable improvements. Reports indicate that it might feature dual 1-inch cameras, a significant upgrade from the Air 3 which would enhance low-light performance and overall image quality. If the rumors about a variable aperture are true, this would allow for better exposure control and more cinematic shots. 4K recording at high frame rates seems likely, possibly with improved dynamic range and richer color depth. Additionally, some sources suggest DJI might introduce a mechanical shutter to reduce motion distortion, an exciting prospect for professionals. On the safety front, the Air 4 is rumored to include full 360-degree obstacle detection powered by LiDAR technology, making it one of the most advanced collision avoidance systems in the Air series. Battery life might also see an improvement, with some reports suggesting an extended flight time of up to 50 minutes, surpassing the Air 3's already impressive 46-minute endurance. Meanwhile, DJI's ongoing advancements in OcuSync transmission technology hint at stronger connectivity and better tracking performance. When can we expect the DJI Air 4 to hit the market? Based on the leaks, a late 2025 release seems the most probable timeline. DJI usually updates the Air series every 2 years, so this would fit with their typical strategy. As for pricing, the Air 3 launched at $1,099, and while the Air 4 might stay in that range, a price increase wouldn't be surprising if DJI includes premium features. If the leaks are accurate, the DJI Air 4 is shaping up to be a strong contender in the drone market. With an upgraded sensor layout, improved obstacle avoidance, and longer flight times, it could bring professional-level features to the Air series. What do you think of the rumored DJI Air 4 features? Would they be enough to make you upgrade from the Air 3? Let us know in the comments.